There. Do you ever feel like your social media posts never get enough views? Do you want to have more followers on Twitter, Facebook, or even Instagram? Do you want to have more views on your YouTube channel? Do you want your content to reach more people? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you a free method on how you can do that to a targeted audience. Hey guys, welcome back to MoneyQuip, your go-to channel for new business ideas, growing your online business and making money online. I talk all about affiliate marketing, internet marketing, SEO, and lead generation. So today I'm going to talk about this free site where you can promote your social media posts, including YouTube videos on for free. All you have to do is just put up something that you want to promote and people are going to promote it for you, and you're also going to promote for other people to get points that other people will use to promote yours. So what we're going to do now is go to this site. It's called copromote.com. Once you just go to copromote.com, you just sign in if you have an account with them already, or you can just sign up. And signing up, it's actually easy. You can just sign up with your Google account. Okay, and this is me signed into my account. Once you open a new account, once you create a new account, you get 500 reach for free. And you can use that 500 reach to launch a campaign. Let's just go over this page and see what it looks like. Once you sign into your new account, you have 500 reach over here, and people are going to be able to promote your posts with that 500 reach, and it means that your post can be promoted to up to 500 people. And on the home page here, you see posts that you can promote. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. You just click on share this, and you can post to Facebook, you can post to Tumblr, you can promote on co-promote, but you can only do this if you actually have followers on co-promote, and you can post this on Twitter. And the number of people that you are able to reach with this post is the number of subscribers, is the number of reach that you'll be able to get. Let's say I post to Facebook and I have, let's say, 500 followers on Facebook. If I post it to Facebook, I'm going to get 500 more reach. And as I said earlier, this is actually free, but they do have paid plans. And I already have a campaign that is launched, and with this free plan, you can only have one campaign at a time. But since I already have one, I'm just going to show you what their paid plans look. I'm going to show you what their paid plans look like. So if you already have a campaign running and you can only have one campaign at the moment, this is what you're going to see here. It says they have Pro Basic, Pro Advanced, and Pro Premium. With Pro Basic, you can have only 2 active campaigns, reach 25,000 people. Membership expires in 30 days and it's $15. You can see all the information here. Okay, let me just show you what my campaign looks like. So to view what your campaign looks like, how many people you're reaching and all that information, just click on track. And once you do that, you're going to see everything. This was something I did this morning actually, and my campaign reached 33,184 followers. And as you can see, all I did was just launch a free account that I had. I didn't even share anything to anyone at that time. It was after I launched the campaign that I shared a post to my Twitter account. And this is basically what you do here. Let me just walk you through the whole website so you can see everything that's on it. Here you can see your membership and account, your stats. Let's check stats. Your content, supporters, and what I posted was actually shared by just one person, and that person shared it to 33,000 of her followers. As you can see, my content reach is 33,184. The number of followers my content has been shared with here, that's it. And earlier I shared it to one of my Twitter accounts that has just 12 followers, and that was the amount of reach that I had. Let me just go back and show you how to share it again. So all you have to do is just scroll down a little and click on share this. And once you click on share this, you'll see the options of you'll see the social media platforms that you can share this to. You can post to Facebook, post to Tumblr, promote on co-promote, and retweet. I'm going to retweet it to that account that I did earlier. And it's going to earn me 12 reach since I have just 12 followers. Let me just fill this in. Okay, I'm not going to do this now. It's going to take a little bit of time. But it's something that's really easy to do, and it's absolutely free. And you can use this with your affiliate marketing campaigns. You can just you can put up a post on Twitter or create like a YouTube video or something. And when you do that, you launch a campaign here, and people are going to share it. If it has your affiliate links or your links to your blog post or to your YouTube video or to basically anywhere that you want people to go to, this is actually a really good traffic source. Let's go back and see what people are saying about it. Promote your content for free. Choose posts from Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, SoundCloud, and more. People who like your posts will share them with their followers, increasing your reach. Launch your social media in seconds. Track your results. Make connections. You can see user pages. You can see the network in the community. And actually, the audience that you reach with this site is actually a targeted audience, because when you launch your campaigns, you're going to launch it in a specific niche. And it's only going to be shown to people that are also in that niche, and those that are going to promote your social media posts. And it's actually a really good website. Okay guys, that was my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button and click on subscribe and click on the bell notification